Hello, my name is Phil Weinmeister. Welcome to my course, Fundamentals of Salesforce Community Cloud. I am the Vice President of Product at 7 Summits and the author of multiple Salesforce books, including one on communities and another on declarative development. Community Cloud is Salesforce's digital experience platform, providing the means for external users to access and interact with Salesforce through a tailored user experience. It's a growing, innovative offering from Salesforce that, in my humble opinion, is extremely enjoyable to use. This course is an introduction to Salesforce Community Cloud, and no prior experience with Salesforce Community Cloud is required. Some of the major topics that we will cover include community basics, planning and preparation, membership and licensing, templates or lightning bolts, community fundamentals such as topics, sharing, personalization, and more, and experience builder. By the end of the course, you'll know the fundamental concepts of Salesforce communities and be ready to learn how to build an actual community. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Salesforce communities with the Fundamentals of Salesforce Community Cloud course at Pluralsight.